Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab and today I'm going to be showing you how to use keybinds or how to use all the shortcut keys for the Wurst Hacked client. So the first shortcut key that I'm going to show you is the Fulbright shortcut key. So when you press C, the C button will automatically by default turn on Fulbright, which will allow you to see in the dark like you've got a night vision potion but without a night vision potion. And that's the Fulbright hack. The next one is the Jesus hack. So if we press J, that will allow us to walk on water and run on water like it was a solid block, which is pretty useful in survival. And that's about all we can do with that one. The next one is pretty destructive if you're in creative mode. So there's actually two shortcut keys for what are essentially the same hack. There's nuker and speed nuker. So N will turn on nuker, and while we're in creative you can see we can just drill a hole all the way down to bedrock super fast. Like if I were to just fall, it would just speed drill all the way down to bedrock. As you can see, we've made a massive hole, and that's nuker. There's also another shortcut key which is called speed nuker, and that's the semicolon key. So when you hit semicolon, that will turn on speed nuker, which is, well, in creative mode it's essentially the same thing. You can see I've used it a little bit before over here. As you can see, we've made a massive trench and a hole really fast. The next hack short key is going to be the fast place fast break hack. So this can be useful in survival and in creative. In survival it will make you break and place blocks a little bit faster, and in creative it can make massive difference. So if we press B, that's going to enable fast break and fast place, which is going to allow us to break blocks, any block, at the speed as if we were breaking leaves with shears. So it's super fast. As you can see, I'm breaking, I'm not spam clicking, I'm just holding the mouse down. Normally without this, the fastest you can break blocks while holding the key down is about this fast, and with the fast break you can break it like this fast, which is pretty useful. The next hack is going to be combat related. So this kill aura is R, so when we press the R key, it is going to turn on kill aura. If I were to get multiple mobs at the same time, as you can see, kill aura only attacks one mob at a time, really, or it will alternate between attacking mobs. A better hack is multi-aura, which is the K button. So when we hit K, it will attack everything at once that is within range, even if there is blocks in the way. Like if I were to place blocks here, as you can see, the creeper is still getting hit even though it's behind a wall. So this is pretty overpowered hack that you can use as well. The next one is free cam, which is going to be U. So the U button is the shortcut to free cam. So if I press U, as you can see, we can go outside our body. We can have an out-of-body experience in Minecraft. As you can see, there I am, and you can go fly. You can go underground and investigate, have a look for things. Even you can pair it with the Fulbright hack, which will allow you to see caves a lot better. And then as soon as we want to go back, we can go as far as we want away from ourselves without actually leaving, and then I can just press the U button again and I will automatically be teleported. My vision will be teleported back to my body. So that's a pretty useful hack. Another pretty overpowered survival hack is X-ray, which is going to be the X button. So when we hit X, that will turn all of the unvaluable blocks invisible, and we'll be able to see all of the ores right down to bedrock, which can make finding ores super fast. So I could just go straight down and look at that, there's iron right there. This is more of a survival hack than a creative hack. And you can see also mossy cobblestone. And if you want to actually change which blocks will appear and which blocks won't appear in the X-ray menu, you can hit escape, go into the worst options, and then go into X-ray blocks. And you can then go through here, there's a reset to defaults button, and you can also click on a block that's highlighted to be in the X-ray and remove it, or you can go down here and you can add a block by just typing in whatever block you want. So say you want stone to be included, you could add stone. I'm not going to do that though, because that would kind of defeat the purpose. And that is most of the hacks. There's another one which is sneak, which is just Y. So if you press Y, it will toggle and hold sneak down for you. It's like being able to toggle sleep. It's not really a very overpowered hack, it's just a sneak hack. So I'm not pressing shift, it's just it's like another key for shift. You can actually get the same result by going into your vanilla settings and just changing the sneak from whatever it is to toggle. But you know, it's a useful hack, so you can also have the speed shift and the toggle shift at the same time. And I believe that is all of the major hack keybinds. So that is a few different hacks or shortcut keys that you can use to access hacks a lot faster when you're using the Wurst client. Another cool way to get to hacks faster is by pressing the right shift button, which will bring up the search menu for all the hacks. So if I wanted to say kill aura, I could type in kill and everything related to kill aura would come up in the menu, then escape to get out again, which is you know, slightly faster if you're looking for a specific hack than going through all of the hacks in the control menu, which is the right control button menu. And obviously that's not all the hacks. I'm not sure whether you can add, you might be able to add more keybinds. Here are all the keybinds. More keybinds into here. I think you can add a keybind, and then I don't know how to use this, but you can add things, I think, as well. So you could make other keys be shortcuts to different hacks, I think. And then yeah, so that is basically all you need to know about shortcut keys for the Wurst Hacked client. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.